Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your client relations with Slack. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Slack and create an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the interface. Start by creating a dedicated workspace for your client. Invite your client to this workspace to facilitate collaboration. Set up channels based on projects or topics relevant to your client. Utilize direct messaging for quick and private conversations. Encourage the use of threads to keep discussions organized. Share important files and documents directly within the relevant channel. Use Slack's integrations to connect with other tools your client uses. Schedule regular check-ins through Slack calls or huddles. Set notifications to ensure you respond to your client promptly. Utilize Slack reminders to keep track of key deadlines and tasks. Encourage your client to share feedback openly in the workspace. Consider creating a channel for sharing updates or success stories. Make use of emojis for a more personable communication style. Check in periodically to assess how the client feels about the communication process. Adapt your approach based on client preferences and feedback. By following these steps, you can enhance your client relations with Slack effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.